I want to show you how to make these chewy, gooey, extra chocolatey brownies. These have the perfect crispy top, gooey chocolate all throughout, and a fudgy texture. But this uses Proof's Rouge de Bordeaux flour. This is exactly what a brownie should be. We'll add 100 grams of Proof Mill Rouge de Bordeaux flour, 20 grams all-purpose flour, 60 grams of cocoa powder. This can be natural or Dutch process. One of the secrets here, half a teaspoon of espresso powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk that all together until combined. Go ahead and set that aside. We'll get started on our wet ingredients. You'll need 170 grams of melted unsalted butter. Add 200 grams of white granulated sugar, 100 grams of brown sugar. Give this a good mix. It should be glossy and thick. Now add 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all these wet ingredients together until well combined. Add all of those dry ingredients into the wet. I use a spatula to fold everything together. Be sure to not overmix your batter. This batter will be thick, bordering on a dough-like consistency. I like to chop semi-sweet chocolate bars, or you can use chocolate chips. You'll need 226 grams of chocolate. Mix most of the chocolate in. I reserve a little bit for topping later. You'll need an 8x8 baking pan. You can lightly grease this or use parchment. Pour all that batter into the prepared pan. I use an offset spatula to help smooth everything out into all the corners. Before baking, top it with that reserved chocolate. We're gonna bake in an oven preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 28 minutes. And baking time can go up to 32 minutes. Once your brownies are done baking, go ahead and let them sit on a cooling rack. Since there's all that chocolate in there, you'll want these to set up for at least 30 minutes. Once those brownies have cooled off a bit, you can slice and enjoy. These brownies are extra decadent and fudgy. All that semi-sweet chocolate just oozes out. These are a chocolate lover's dream. Rouge de Bordeaux gives these brownies a unique flavor and characteristic. This heritage French wheat has a deep, complex flavor. You're gonna love these delicious brownies made from scratch, and we didn't even need to pull out a stand mixer. So simple, you'll want to make them all the time.